In this video, I'm going to share one of the best strategy with two indicators which can give up to 80 to 90% success rate. So let's start the video. Okay, at first make sure your chart is in candles and set the candles duration to 15 seconds. Now set the trading time to 1 minute. As you can see, it's 1 minute. Okay, and after that click on the indicator and click on this alligator indicator. And now edit the inputs. Job period should be 15. Jaw shift 7, teeth period 10, teeth shift should be 6, 5, 3. All good, and choose the color as well. Let's make it blue. It should be red, and let's make it white, and set everything to 2 pixels so it will be easy to see. Okay, now save this, and another indicator which is demarker, and as you can see here it is the demarker, and let's edit the value of this as well. Period should be 10. Okay, and let's set the style. Main line should be white, this will be blue and red. Okay, now set everything to 2 pixel and save it. Okay, now let's select the currency pair, and remember, not a single strategy will work when the candle move in a large number in a short period of time. And yeah, that's all. Okay, now let's turn it off, and now let's start. First let's find a market. Okay, here I'm buying it. The reason I'm buying it is, as you can see, the alligator is also going up. As you can see, it is going up, and here it is intersecting each other. So most of the time when this type of pattern will form, it will go up. As you can see, it is going, and as you can see in the demarker as well, it is showing the uptrend. Now it's showing the downtrend because the red candle is formed, so that's why now it's again going up. Okay, as you can see here, we made a first profit. Okay, as you can see, we had made the profit, and let's see another, and here you can see it's showing the downtrend, so I'm selling it here. It's going down. As you can see, the alligator is going down. Let's see what will happen. So this is the main marker in this strategy, so let's see we will get a profit or not. And if you look at the overall market as well, it's going down and up and down, so I think it will be down. We'll make a profit, I guess. Okay, as you can see, our second trade is also successful. Now let's find another. Okay, as you can see here, the market is growing down rapidly, and here also in the demarker it's showing down, so I'm selling it. So let's see what will happen. If you see overall market, it's going down. I guess this will also go down. We have 19 seconds left, so we don't have to worry. Okay, the red line is formed. Okay, now the marker will go down. Okay, as I said, it is going down. Okay, we made a profit. Oh, that's a close call. Okay, as you can see, the demarker is going down and it's also going up, so I think the marker will fall down. Let's see what will happen. And down, down. Yeah, it will go down. Okay, here we had made a profit. I wasn't expecting this low, but it's good. Okay, here we had made another profit. Okay, as you can see here, I have sold because as you can see it's going down, and the demarker is also going down, as you can see, and the alligator is also going down, so this will most probably go down. Let's see what will happen. Okay, I think this will be close call, but we had made another profit. Let's see another market. Okay, as you can see, it's fluctuating a lot, so make sure you don't trade in this type of market because it's fluctuating a lot. Now let's see another. Okay, as you can see, it's going down, so I'm setting it here. As you can see, the alligator sign is going down, and the demarker is also going down. That's why I've sold. So let's see what will happen. And if you see the overall market, it is going down and up, and it is going down again, so I think it will go down more. So let's see what will happen. Okay, it's fluctuating a lot, but I don't think so it will go up, because if you see overall, it's going down, so I guess it will go down, so we don't have to worry about it. Okay, it's more going down. Okay, we have made another profit. Okay, now let's go for the last one. Okay, as you can see, it's going up, so I'm buying it, and let's see what will happen. And it took the huge jump. As you can see, it will go up. As you can see, the alligator is also going up, and here it is intersecting as well, and also the demarker is going up. So, and if you look at the overall market, it's going down. Now it's showing rapid growth. As you can see, it's like a ramp, so I don't think so it will come down. Okay, here we had made another profit, and yeah, that's all for now. We have almost made $600 profit. We have started with 2000 and we have made $2,592, which is almost $2,600. So yeah, that's all for now. And this strategy is very simple. You just need these two marker. If both the signs are going down, you can sell it. If the both signs are going up, you can buy it. But remember, it's not 100% sure that you will make profit every time. So make sure to put small amount at first and then increase it later after getting some profit.